Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create a database in MySQL, how to see the list of existing databases, how to select a database, and how to drop or remove a database. We can create a new database in MySQL by using the create database statement. To create a database, you have to follow the syntax, that is create database. If not exists, then name of database. Second command is to show databases. If you want to see the list of existing databases created by you, then you can use the syntax show databases, so it will gives you the list of all databases. Next is to open database. You have to follow the syntax use then name of database. So when you use this command, use and the database name, so you can access the database that allows us to create a table. If you want to remove your database, so you have to follow the syntax drop and name of database. Now let's understand how to create database in MySQL command line client with an example. So let's start with practical. Open MySQL. Command line client and write down your password which you have given at the time of installation. Okay, the password is wrong. My password is this one. Okay, so here you can see the interface of MySQL. If you want to change or increase the size of fonts, then right click on your title bar, go to its properties, and from font option you can increase the size of your font. So the first command is to create a database. So we have to follow the syntax create database and the name of database, that is employee DB. I want to create this database with the name employee DB. Mark the semicolon which indicates the end of a statement, so my query is okay here. Now again I am repeating the same statement, so it will raise an error because this database is already exists, so database name must be unique. You cannot create the same database name with MySQL. Next is after creation a database, let's see the list of existing databases. So for this you have to follow command show databases. So here is the list of existing databases and my database is employee DB. Now let's select my database employee DB. For this follow syntax use then database name, that is employee DB. Once you select your databases or database, you can access the database that allows us to create a table. So your database has been changed now, so now you can create your tables here. If you want to remove this database, so perform the syntax drop and database name employee DB. The spelling is okay, the syntax is wrong. Drop database and the name of database. So your query is okay. So now let's see show databases. So you can see here my database has been removed from here. And in the next video we will see how we can create a table, how to add records and perform some more queries with the tables. Thank you for watching the video.